Hello to all. In our today's English class, we will do the chapter number 4, that is The Old Green Door, which is taken from a book named The Old Green Door, written by George Ansel. It's an adventure story. Adventure means an exciting and remarkable experience. Means you will do something which you don't know what will be the result, uska result kya hoga. It involves risk also, and full of excitement. So in this there are three school going boys, Tom, Jack and Tim, and their uncle Ryan. It's a conversation between these four people, and they are expressing their adventure. They are narrating their adventure to Uncle Ryan. What they had recently explored. And explore means to investigate or to travel to a new place to learn more about it. So you will definitely enjoy this exciting story. So let's read and understand it.
In this play, we have only 4 characters. 3 are the school-going boys. Their name is Tom, Jack and Tim. And the 4th character name is Uncle Ryan. Uncle Ryan is talking with these 3 boys. As Uncle Ryan knows very well that these 3 boys loves to explore the things, so he wants to have a story from them. वो उनसे एक स्टोरी सुनना चाहते हैं. They want to know something what they have explored recently. So he said, Uncle Ryan is talking to Tom, Jack and Tim. He knows the boys love to explore. Explore means to travel to a new place, to learn about it, or to investigate something so that you will, whatever you don't know, you will learn about it and find out new things. So Uncle Ryan is talking to them. Uncle Ryan is telling, I know you love adventure. मुझे पता है आप लोगों को adventure पसंद है. Tom, tell me about one any kind. Now Uncle Ryan is telling Tom, one of the schoolboy, that tell me one adventure which you had, any kind of, कोई भी किसी भी तरह का, any one adventure. So Tom is answering, yes, I have been in this school for 6 years now. Begin when I was 4. Tom was saying that yes, I will tell you one of our adventure. हम आपको एक अपना adventure बताने जा रहे हैं. I have been in the school for 6 years. मुझे इस स्कूल में पढ़ते हुए 6 years हो गए हैं. Begin when I was 4. I joined the school when I was 4 years and am studying here from past 6 years. So at present I am of 10 years. My age is 10 years. But I have never found out what lies behind the dusty old green door. I'm here in the school from past 6 years, but I don't know what is behind that dusty, dirty, old green door. I don't know what is there. What is behind? What is the secret behind this old green door at the end of the corridor? What is the secret behind this old green door? Then Uncle Ryan is saying, you make it sound mysterious. Whatever you are telling, Tom, it sounds mysterious. Mysterious means adbhut, रहस्यमय, which you don't know and which you can't understand, something which is beyond your knowledge. So that is a mystery. That is a रहस्यमय, adbhut. So where is this old green door? Now Uncle Ryan is asking these three boys, where is this old green door about which you are talking now? It is down past Mrs. Johnny's room at the end of the corridor, but she never goes in there. Nobody uses the dusty old green door. Tom said, it is nearby the Johnny's room, Mrs. Johnny's room, or it is at the end of the corridor. कॉरिडोर के लास्ट में है. बट मिसेस जॉनी नेवर गोज देयर. शी नेवर गोज टू दैट नियर टू दैट ओल्ड ग्रीन डोर. Not only Mrs. Johnny, nobody goes to that dusty, dirty, old green door. Nobody uses it. It is always locked. Uncle Ryan, go on, tell me more. Uncle Ryan is very much excited. What is behind that green old door? He also wants to know about that. So Tom is again started. This morning, Jack, Tim and I decided to explore. Explore means to investigate or to travel to a new place to learn about it. So this morning, today morning, me, Jack and Tim, we decided to explore, to find out what is behind that dusty old green door. So during playtime, we headed inside towards the old green door. So when we have our playtime, our games period, when all the kids are busy in playing, that time we headed inside towards the old green door. That time we moved towards that old green door. Uncle Ryan, so then what happened? फिर क्या हुआ? Come on, Tim, now you tell me. अभी तक Uncle Ryan is talking with Tom. Now he said, Tim, you tell me what happened, what you did, how you explored the old green door. Tim started. We passed the staff room, passed the labs, and that was when we saw the Eric light was shining bright behind the old green door. Tim was telling that we started moving towards the old green door. We passed the staff room. हमने staff room को cross कर लिया. Then we passed the labs. Labs were also there, and we passed the labs also. And then we saw the old green door. And Eric light was shining bright behind the old green door. There was a light coming from behind that old green door. And what sort of light? Eric. Eric means strange, ajeeb si light. A very odd, strange light was coming behind this old green door. Uncle Ryan, then what did you do? फिर आप लोगों ने क्या किया? Then again Tom started. We crept up close and then we heard what none had heard before. A scratchy sound that moved around behind the old green door. He shuddered a little. He is the Tom here. Shuddered a little. Shuddered means shaking with fear. डर के मारे कांपना. So Tom is telling that we crept up close. Crept is the past tense. In this chapter we have used a lot of past tense of the verbs. This is the past tense of the verb creep. Creep means धीरे धीरे move करना, like रेंगना. So creep is the past tense of crept is the past tense of creep. We crept up close. हम उस दरवाजे के पास slowly without making any noise we moved towards the door and then we heard. Heard is the past tense of hear. Then they had heard something. उन्होंने कुछ सुना. What none had heard before, जो किसी ने पहले नहीं सुना. Nobody has heard about it before. A scratchy sound that moves around. एक scratchy sound, किसी को नोचने वाला sound that moved around. That scratchy sound is coming from that behind, from that door, from that old green door. And that makes, when he was telling this, he was shivering a bit. वो थोड़ा थोड़ा कांप रहा था. Now your turn, Jack, for your little speech. Now Uncle Ryan is pointing Jack. Now you tell me what happened further. आगे क्या हुआ? Jack. And then we heard the terrible teeth. They started to gnash and gnaw. Now Jack is narrating that what we heard a terrible teeth. Terrible means भयानक, horrible. Teeth, हमने दांतों की आवाज सुनी. What sort of sound they had heard? Terrible, horrible, dangerous, fearful. Teeth, it's an adjective. They started to gnash. In this, G is silent, and in this, no, again G is silent. In both these words, G is silent. They started to gnash and gnaw. Gnash means to grind the teeth together. Whenever we are angry a lot, we grind our teeth. हम अपने दांतों को क्या करते? पीसते हैं, right? Same thing. They started to gnash. The sound, such sound was coming from that door that somebody is gnashing the teeth. Means दांत पीस रहा है in anger. And gnaw means to chew something, and as if somebody is eating something. And then they started to chew upon the terrible old green door. And then the sound came as if those teeth are started eating that old green door. They started chewing the terrible old green door. Then we heard a chilling scream and then a growling roar. Then हमने क्या सुना? A chilling scream. Chilling means scary. Scream means cry. Then we heard a scary cry and डरावनी चीख. And then उसके बाद a growling roar means दहाड़ने की sound, but not in a high pitch, low sound. Then something started to pound against the terrible old green door. And then something, pound means to hit again and again on something. And then something started, कोई चीज उस terrible, horrible green door को pound कर रही थी, बार बार उसको hit कर रही थी. Then Uncle Ryan said, "You are making me scared!" Exclamation mark. It's a sudden or strong feeling of fear here. Were you scared? क्या आप भी डर गए थे? Then Tom replied, "Of course we were not." Oh no! Again exclamation mark. So Tom was lying here. Of course we were not. हम नहीं डरे. But actually they got scared. Oh no! Off ran Tim. I followed him. Tim started running, and it's a ran. Ran is the past tense of run. And I followed him. The first who ran, सबसे पहले वहां कौन भागा? Tim. After that, Tom. I followed him at speeds not none before. We run very fast. हम बहुत तेज भागे, as if उतना fast we have never run. Then strange to see, Jack flew past me. Then that Jack had crossed me. Flew is the past tense of fly. As if he is flying, he crossed me also. So away from that green door. Why they were running? They are trying to move from far away from that old green door. You can see in this picture, these three kids are Tim, Jack and Tom. They are running far from this old green door. Now it's Jack is telling, as we got out, the whistle went and straight away I swore. जैसे ही हम लोग बाहर आ गए, a bit far from that old green door, they heard a sound of a whistle. It's a sound of a whistle and straight away I swore. और उसी समय मैंने swore. I promised myself, strong promise, कसम खा ली, that never again would I go near that terrible old green door. That I will promise myself that I will not go near to that old horrible dusty green door. Now it's the Tim. Then Mr. Lee said, come you three, I need some help in the store. Then they heard the sound of Mr. Lee and Mr. Lee was calling them, you come three. He is calling all the three boys and he wants some help from them in the store. वो उनको store में कुछ work के लिए he is calling. And I suddenly knew he was taking us to that terrible old green door. The Tim was sure that Mr. Lee is taking us towards that horrible old green door. Knew is the past tense of know. His eyes grew red as if they blade. उसकी जो eyes, his Mr. Lee's eyes grew is the past tense of grow. His eyes grew red. उसकी eyes पूरी red हो गई थी as if they blade. As if it is supposed to start bleeding. Blade is the past tense of bleed. His hand bent into a claw. And उसकी hands bent is the past tense of bend. Jhukna. And his hands was converting into a claw. That is panja. We ran as fast as our legs could move. हम बहुत तेज भागे as much as we can. And I have no doubt we will never find out what's behind that horrible old green door. And I'm sure there is no doubt that we will never try to find out what is behind that old green door. We are scared a lot. हम बहुत डर गए थे and we will never try to find out what is behind that old green door. I hope you have enjoyed this play. Till the next video, take care.